Okay guys, so today is my first day at NLS. My bus is coming right now. So I'll go to campus through the bus and then the orientation starts at around 10. So we are leaving early, it's 8 right now because there's bus at 8, then there's at 8:30. So we're just leaving early so that we'll get a seat in the hall. Yeah, so right now we are heading to the campus and this is Sanvi, one of my best friends till now. And अभी हम लोग बहुत जल्दी पहुंचने वाले हैं. So I think I record there or something, but it's a good weather.
Yeah, it is a good, but it's also cold.
Yeah. Good. And my hair went down the drain. So we'll see at campus.
We'll see at the campus.
Now we're just roaming around in the campus because library अभी तक खुली नहीं है.
Yes.
So we can't really do it.
We have to explore the campus.
Yeah. So like
मैंने
it's
इससे किया है थोड़ा. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है तो.
and like काफी ज़्यादा green है, like a lot. Wait, like it's all like पूरा ऐसा पेड़ ऐसा घना है. So like it's pretty good.
Right.
I really like it here. And like
The climate is very good.
it's amazing. Like
But I feel it's a little cold.
हाँ.
I should have bought my jacket.
ठीक है, लेसन लर्न हम लोग डे स्कॉलर्स के लिए. और भी बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जो हम लोगों को याद रखनी है कल से.
Yes.
बट वरना तो इट्स प्रिटी गुड. हम ऐसे इतना मॉर्निंग स्ट्रोल ले रहे हैं एंड वी आर एट एनलेस, तो इट जस्ट फील्स सरियल. अभी भी तक भी हिट इन नहीं हुआ है, तो अभी तो कहीं ऐसे रैंडमली बस चल रहे हैं कहीं भी. Guys, say hi. So yeah, we're just time passing. We're finally seated. Like it's a room full of people. So now it's about to start. Oh yeah, wait, I'll show that. It started and now I'm just hoping that it gets done in time because these orientations take a lot of time. So we have breaks in the middle as well. So I still packed a banana with myself so that if I get hungry or something, I have something to munch. Yeah, so that's that. And the library looks so good. Like we are not allowed to go upstairs right now, but it just looks magnificent. Like just the way it was, like I saw online. Ekdam वैसा ही. Okay, so we are just done with our orientation. I think there's like 2 hours more after lunch, so we have lunch break right now. And I got my ID card. Okay, I'm not going to show the picture on camera because it's bad, but yeah, that's got it. And there was like a huge line, but people were not understanding that there were different lines for different courses and everyone just thought that there's a huge crowd so we won't go, but it wasn't like that. We just have to be more mindful here. And we got to know about the academics, courses, attendance. Oh my god, attendance is like such a big thing here. Like you can miss only 7 classes according to my calculations. That's like 25%. 75% is mandatory. 25% accounts for like around 15 hours. It's a 60-hour course. 60 hours of total teaching. So that's like very, very less. So that also you have to save for like any medical reasons that you get. So I think it's going to be quite a challenge to like get all the attendances right. But yes, so we are just going right now and then we'll see back. So we're just heading back. Hi guys. Yeah, so we're going back right now and we have like 2 more hours of orientation left and ab sabka ho gaya. Like we are just okay, she's camera shy. Okay, they're both camera shy.
So this was my group activity ka when we got to know that there's sort of a pool in NLU and no one talks about it.
You want to introduce yourself, Garvit? Say hi.
Namaskaram, Bengaluru.
Yeah, so this is
I don't know.
I think everyone अपनी story पे ऐसे नमस्कारा बैंगलोर डाल रहा था. It's नमस्कारा. नमस्कारा.
Like Nama Metro.
Namma means our.
Namma means
Arna hai na?
इस साल कब नमा?
It's been 2 days and I'm already learning so much. Yeah, and it's had better expectations. We had this group activity. We had to click photos and get in like some shape that they had given. Don't know why.
So this is what I would call as intellectual engagement faculty. Next, Learn from your peers.
Okay, so I just came back to my room. I wasn't able to record afterwards because the bus that got us to my outside accommodation, that was absolutely filled. It was crowded. Like there were at least 20-30 people who were just standing there because there was no space, and that was like a 30-minute ride. So yes, now I'm back in my room, and I'll do a room tour as well sometime when it's all set up and clean. And Bangalore weather is amazing. Like right now, the weather outside, the sky is so beautiful. I want to record it, but I think that I'm going to be recording it every single day now. It's so good. But I'll do show you guys. So yeah, that is it for the day. The orientations were absolutely amazing. They were quite informative, but till the end, I think everyone became quite tired as well since they were quite long. It's around 6:05 right now. I'll change and then I'll just see the whole system working of the LMS and the online portals. We have our classes starting tomorrow. I am lucky that I have only like 2 classes tomorrow, so it won't be quite a burden. I'll be free at 1 p.m. That was my orientation day at NLS. If you're someone who's preparing for CLAT and want to end up here too, I'm providing CLAT counseling sessions as well. You can register through the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.